In this video, we are going to see that if your social links section is missing from your profile, edit profile option, here's how you can fix that in the TikTok application. It's a very simple and straightforward process here, guys, but I'll tell you a couple of solutions that might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, just check, guys, that if it is allowed in your specific region or country, because this feature is not available for some of the accounts or regions. So just check for the eligibility countries list, and you will find out that if your country is allowed or not. If your country is allowed and you are still not getting that option in the edit profile section, here's what you need to do. First of all, just try to update the TikTok application. Maybe you were using the TikTok application for a very long time and you didn't update that. So we head over to the Play Store and we write here TikTok and just open that up. If it is not updated, you will get the update option immediately, or if you're sure that it is not updated, you can uninstall that as well. So let's quickly uninstall that and it will immediately show you either install option or update option. In both cases, it will update to the latest version. Don't worry, you don't have to mention your credentials again, because TikTok keep tracks of the old credentials as well. And once it is installed, you can click on open. It will allow a couple of permissions. You can skip, and if you visit your profile, you will see that it shows your welcome back screen. You can simply log in with that. And after that, you can just check that if that option appears for you. If not, you can also try clearing the cache on the TikTok application. So what you do is just find TikTok, you just hold on to it and you click on app info. You click on storage and cache. And from here at the bottom, you will just click on clear cache. Just remember that you do not need to clear the storage, just the clear cache should work. And just try running that again. Also, what you can do is just go to switch the account type. So just switch your account to business. What you do for that is head over to the profile, click on the three lines at the top right hand corner and click on settings and privacy. From here, under the account, you click on that account option and you click on switch to business account and click on get started. You just need to mention your credentials, and after that it will verify it. It usually takes 3 business days or more, and once the identity is verified, you can check that edit option and you should be able to get the social links option as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and just remember that if you're with a specific country, just mention down in comment from where you're watching this video, so that I can tell you the customized solution for that specific country as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.